What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style O.G. And on today's video, we're gonna talk about how to trim and shave those pubes. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every day at 4 p.m. Eastern, discussing various men's lifestyle topics, such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe and tap the notification bell and join us. And to my returning friends like Kevin Omandi Okello, salute. So as I'm always telling you guys, the stylish guy has the gear, the clothes, the watches, etc. But the final touches, you gotta have proper grooming. And yes, that includes manscaping and hair removal. And no more important or maybe sensitive area than below the belt. So you're telling me you don't groom below the belt? You don't take care of those pubes? Come on, man. Let me explain to you why I highly suggest you do. Now, there's several reasons. For one, excess hair in any area, especially down there where you sweat a lot, is gonna trap odor and moisture. You don't want bad smelling balls, my guy. And that leads to another important reason why you wanna manscape down there. For the ladies, of course. Did you know that 80% of the women prefer that you groom down there? Now think about it. If you want a young lady visiting you below the belt, don't you want it to be appealing and smell good for her? And on top of that, who doesn't want to look a little bigger? Remove a little shrubbery, the penis gonna look a little larger. But I also want to mention a health reason why you want to do it. Trimming those balls makes it easier for you to examine your testicles with any irregularity. Very important. So now that we talked a little bit about the positive reasons for grooming below the belt, let's talk a little bit about the how. But before we get specifically on how to do it, we got to get to a little bit of story time with Uncle Jeff and show you how you can do it the wrong way. So I want to say it's about 10 years ago. I'm chilling, thinking I'm the man. Got a young lady over the crib. She says she wants to trim my balls for me. I'm like, cool, I'm gonna lay back and enjoy this treatment. You know what I grabbed? A pair of scissors. Mistake number 1, 2, and 3. So I'm chilling, laid back, thinking I'm the man. Got my eyes closed, my whole thing. She's trimming, things are going well. But simultaneously, I yell, ouch, and she goes, oops. You know exactly what happened. This chick just cut my balls. I'm bleeding everywhere. The moral of this story, when you're doing the job, make sure you have the right tools. Which brings us to how I'm using the right tools today, and today's video sponsor, Manscaped and their Perfect Package 2.0. Manscaped is the only brand that's completely dedicated to below-the-belt grooming and hygiene. A team of aerospace engineers created the tools that make manscaping easy, even for beginners. And it starts with the Lawnmower 2.0. This is a waterproof manscaping trimmer with a powerful 6,000 RPM motor. The ceramic blade head is replaceable and uses skin-safe technology. And Manscaped gives you the option to get a replacement blade every 3 months to ensure your Lawnmower 2.0 stays hygienic. The ceramic blades are guaranteed not to cut you while you're shaving. It has a low-drain built-in battery that's rechargeable with the enclosed USB cord, and you'll easily get 60 minutes of trimming with one charge. But it just doesn't stop with the trimmer. You also have the proper tools for aftercare, starting with Manscaped Crop Preserver. The Crop Preserver is a 24-hour moisturizing deodorant for below the waist that's residue-free and features active pH control. This is the perfect tool to reduce chafing and sweaty balls. But you also get Manscaped Crop Reviver. The Crop Reviver is an all-natural spray-on toner and refresher. It's perfect for on the go in your gym bag, your car, or tucked away in your nightstand. With the Crop Reviver, you won't get caught off guard when it's time to seal that deal. And for my guys that want to go completely bare, we've got the Plow. Plow is a stainless steel, double-edged, single-blade safety razor to get you clean and smooth, but in a safe way. And to make the cleanup a little easier, we got 3 magic mats. Not only making things less messy, but it's got some great funny bathroom reading. And as a great gift to the Style O.G family members out there, Manscaped includes this great toiletry/travel bag called the Shed. Great for putting all your toiletries, especially your Perfect Package grooming kit. And with me partnering up with Manscaped, not only do you get all the great items and tools that are in the Perfect Package 2.0, I secured you guys a 20% discount. That's right, 20% off. Not only 20% off, but free shipping and the free gift of the Shed to hold your toiletry. All you have to do is use our discount code, STYLE20, for 20% off and free shipping. So hands down, Manscaped, the perfect package for you to use to take care of those grooming needs below the belt. Just don't use the scissors like your OG. Now that we talked about why you should be trimming below the belt and the importance of the right tool, let's get into how you should get the job done. First off, let's talk about the easy part, trimming above the penis, trimming or shaving. I'm a trimming guy, but either way, I suggest you start with the trimmer, take it down about 1/4 inch. That's good for me. But if you're a shaver, after trimming, go ahead and shave it down. Now I'm gonna suggest you go downward or against the grain, pretty easy. Now I like to do my whole routine in the shower, including above the penis. That's where the Lawnmower 2.0 comes in because it's waterproof. Now I'm suggesting you do it in the shower, and specifically a cold shower. Cold water helps draw the balls up, make it easy to get to those nooks and crannies. Now to get down to those balls, first off, take your penis, pull it up towards your belly button. This is gonna make it easier to get to your balls, pulls the skin taut, gives a good surface area for the trimmer or slash razor to get in there. Now please, whatever you do, take slow, gentle strokes using a safety razor. You don't need an accident like the OG had. Blood, not pretty sight from your balls. Now of course, after you're done your shaving, go ahead and complete your shower. Get all the hair and the rest of your body clean. Step out of the shower, make sure you dry your balls completely. Now it's time to do your aftercare. Just like when you're shaving your face, you're not just gonna leave it there. You wanna put some aftershave or moisturizer. That's where my crop preserver comes in. But whatever you do, make sure you moisturize that area. You don't want your balls chafed or dry. Okay, so there you have it. My guide on how and why you should trim below the belt. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. Helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap the notification bell so you don't miss any videos we release every day at 4 p.m. Eastern. And I'll check you out tomorrow.